Good morning students. In today English 2 class we will start chapter number 4 nouns gender. Okay? Take out your book and open page number 21. In this chapter we will study about gender. Okay? Nouns gender. Nouns are identified in the gender. How we can identify into gender. Gender, do you know what do you mean by gender? Gender means link through which we can know about that a noun is male or female. ये वर्ड नाउन्स के जो वर्ड होते हैं वो इंडिकेट्स करते हैं कि वेदर अ नाउन इज मेल और फीमेल. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड जेंडर. द वर्ड दैट इंडिकेट्स वेदर अ नाउन इज अ male or a female is called gender. For example, we can identify boy, girl like this through their gender, male or female. Male is here, boy, female, girl. Like this we can identify the difference. That is called gender. There are 4 kinds of gender in English: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. As there are genders, male or female can be identified there through the gender, and this is here we can also their genders are also classified into 4. okay, 4 types of gender. 4 तरह से डिवाइड किया गया है, जिसमें हमको मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन तो हम लोग जानते ही हैं. कॉमन और न्यूट्रल जेंडर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. इन इंग्लिश वी क्लासिफाइड जेंडर इनटू कॉमन एंड न्यूट्रल ऑल्सो. हम लोग न्यूट्रल को और कॉमन जेंडर में भी इसको क्लासिफाई करते हैं. मैस्कुलिन इज अबाउट द मेल. हाउ वी डू क्लासिफाई जेंडर? मैस्कुलिन जेंडर बाय that refers to a male is said to be the masculine gender. Now boy, father, brother, king, prince, hunter, these are the masculine, as we can identify through the name only, nouns name only. They are boy, father, brother, king. ये सब masculine genders के बारे में बताते हैं. Prince, hunter, like this. Now feminine gender. Here noun that refers to female is said to be of feminine gender. Feminine के बारे में जो बताते हैं, feminine स्त्रीलिंग हो गया, masculine पुल्लिंग हो गया आपका. तो ये यहाँ पर क्या बता रहे हैं? गर्ल, मदर, सिस्टर, क्वीन, प्रिंसेस, हंट्रेस, लायनेस. जैसे कि गर्ल हो गए, मदर हो गए, सिस्टर, क्वीन, रानी, प्रिंसेस, राजकुमारी, हंट्रेस, शिकारनी, लायनेस, शेरनी, like this. Now common gender. Common gender means this is the gender in which male and female both can come. इसमें that refers to both male and female is said to be of common gender. Just like in the doctor there can be male or also female teacher. Just like we are lady teacher, there sir as also there. Student, in the student we refer everyone, boys and girls both. जैसे हम आप सभी को स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं तो आप लोग बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स सभी आते हैं इसमें. जज ऑल्सो कैन बी बॉय और गर्ल, मेल और फीमेल. इट कैन बी थिप, सर्वेंट. ओके, दीज आर द कॉमन विच कैन बी बोथ, बट वी कैन टेल देम थिप like this or like that here. Neuter gender. Neuter gender that refers to non-living thing, that is neither a male or nor a female. It is called neuter gender is used for non-living thing, that is table, camera. This is a pen also. This is also a neuter gender. House, book is here. Your book is also neuter gender. No, it is non-living things. Now here, as through these I have explained through this gender has been explained through the examples के through मैंने आपको अभी explain किया है. I hope you must have understood the differences between these gender. As in the lesson plan there I have just prepared the question for you all. What is gender? Define it with example. Okay, like this you will note down in your classwork copy. There I have shown that through the pictures, masculine, feminine, common, neuter, all I have described it through the pictures. You can also paste or draw the pictures. I have pasted it. You can draw it. If you understand, you can do it very well. अगर आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा तो आप अच्छे से पिक्चर्स पेस्ट करके उसको दिखा सकते हैं, शो कर सकते हैं. व्हाट आर masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Common, masculine boy, feminine girl. Common is here police. neuter is here table, like this. Okay, and what do you mean by here? I have just defined it through the questions and answers also. Okay, you can do it in your classwork copy, and please if you can paste it or draw the pictures, you can do it that. Okay, I have not drawn the pictures here, but you can draw the pictures to explain it very well. Okay, now after this we came here about how to change. Now here how to form feminine gender, changing into masculine to feminine. Okay, masculine है, so feminine में किस तरह से change करते हैं हम लोग? The E-double-S, by adding E-double-S we can change masculine into feminine. Okay, there into masculine gender, yes to the masculine gender. Author is here, there, author, lekhak, lekhika, authoress, E-double-S is added here. Steward, stewardess, stewardess. Okay, E-double-S is here also added. Priest, priestess, poet, poetess, kavi, kavitri, pujari, pujarin, like this. Steward, host, hostess, hire, hire. Now here mayor, mayor, mayoress, giant, giantess, shepherd, shepherdess, patron, patroness. And every masculine can be changed here by adding E-double-S. Some masculines here it is shown. Now here there are also some masculines which can be changed by adding E-double-S. Just like actor, actress, waiter, waitress, tiger, tigress. But here one thing is here that there is a vowel before consonant. R के before यहाँ पर vowel है, कि यहाँ पर ये vowels जो है हट जाते हैं, लास्ट में लगते हैं E-double-S. वो vowels से आपके जो हट जाते हैं. एक्टर, अगर vowels आपके consonants के पहले हैं तो वो हट जा रहे हैं और यहाँ बाद में आ जा रहे हैं E-double-S. टाइगर के यहाँ पर भी देख रहे हैं हम लोग, जैसे एक्टर में O है, ये हट गया यहाँ पर, और E actress. Okay, waiter, waitress. This spelling you must remember carefully and do it carefully. ये बहुत ही important है, इससे spelling mistakes बहुत हो जाते हैं, इसलिए vowel से जो remove हो जाते हैं. Okay, hunter, huntress, negro, negress, prince, princess. Now here some masculine, now some feminine genders are formed in irregular way. Just they are changed, just like here peacock, peahen, cock is changed into hen, dog, bitch, fox, vixen, horse, mare. Now father, mother, son, daughter, it is changed. Okay, masculine to feminine totally changed. There wizard, witch, they are called in different ways. Gentleman को lady जैसे होगा, king, queen हो गया, stag, hind. Okay, monk, nun, gender, gander, goose, uncle, aunt, drone, bee, nephew, niece, bachelor, spinster, bachelor masculine, feminine, spinster, hero, heroine, drake, duck, bull, cow, husband, wife. Okay, now here you can see that they are totally changed into feminine. Here the feminine gender of compound nouns is formed as follows. Compound noun, you know, just the both are the nouns, but they are joined together. Grand, grandmother, grandfather, here it is mother. These are the compound nouns. Landlord, land is here noun, lord is here another noun. तो ये दोनों को एक साथ करते हैं तब लोग वे कंपाउंड नाउन बन जाते हैं, एक साथ हो जाते हैं. लैंड लेडी, दीज आर द कंपाउंड. दो नाउन्स को जोड़कर एक साथ टुगेदर किया जाता है तो वो कंपाउंड नाउन फॉर्म होते हैं. जैसे मिल्क मैन, मिल्क मेड, पीकॉक, पीहन, स्टेप सन, स्टेप डॉटर, ग्रैंडसन, ग्रैंड डॉटर, हेडमास्टर, हेडमिस्ट्रेस, he goat, she goat, stepfather, stepmother, cock, sparrow, hen, sparrow. Just see, all are here the compound nouns together. They can be changed into feminine gender by using the compound nouns. Their nouns, another noun is used here. So all you will just hear this. Also you will note down your classwork copy. Okay, this one and this one here you will just note down in your classwork copy. This page here you will note down here in the classwork copy. Okay, only this side. So I hope you have understood the chapter, and read the chapter again and try to understand it. Okay, it will help you more. Thank you.